So my top tip for today is use a big roller, because out here I've done all the cutting in on this stairwell and I'm going to be painting all the walls on 3 floors. So I've cut in, I've started the rollering, but it's a lot of wall area to cover. It's all down there, and there's another staircase, it's all down there on that floor too. So to try and roller that as quick as possible, I'm going to use that big roller just there. It's almost as wide as the tray. And it's fairly fluffy, so it holds a lot of paint and it barely splatters. And it's on a roller pole. And what I'm going to show you here, that diddy little roller, don't be using one of those just because it's cheaper to buy. You might be thinking, oh, that little diddy one's only about maybe £5 or £6, but that expensive one over there, that posh one, come from the trade decorating shop, but with this frame here that holds it and the fluffy roller head, that might be more like £20 or £30, but you will save so much time. I literally would have had all this hallway painted, as in rollered, probably in about 30 minutes, and that's 3 floors. Whereas if you're using this diddy little thing that's not very fluffy, it doesn't hold much paint and it doesn't cover a very big area each time you load up and roller. Whereas that big monster, I can probably cover 1 metre square with really good coverage in one load up. So yeah, working pretty fast. So that's my top tip. Nice big roller, nice and wide, nice and fluffy, so it holds a good amount of paint and it's held on both sides. So when you're pressing on the wall, you've got good pressure and it's good even pressure. Whereas that sometimes you get good pressure on this side and it can be a bit flippy floppy on that side because there's nothing holding it. So that's my top tip. Big fat fluffy roller on a roller pole. All right, give me 30 minutes and that should be done. Bye.